the realm of precision measurement tools for woodworking and construction, the REEKON M1 Caliber emerges as a promising solution, aiming to revolutionize traditional methods with its innovative features. Let's delve into a detailed review to assess its functionality, usability, and overall effectiveness. Innovative design and functionality. The M1 Caliber boasts a fully integrated design, equipped with a patent-pending mechanism that easily clamps onto various soft fences. Its standout feature lies in the large, backlit LCD screen, providing clear and precise measurements of materials passed beneath its wheel. By eliminating the reliance on traditional tape measures and pencils, it promises to streamline the measuring and cutting process significantly. Enhanced efficiency. With a focus on modern technology, the M1 Caliber offers the potential to accelerate workflow by up to 3 times compared to conventional methods. Its compatibility with a wide range of saw types, coupled with the ability to handle miter, bevel, compound, and straight cuts across various materials, caters to diverse project requirements. Safety and convenience. Centralizing measurement tasks to a single location enhances safety by minimizing movement and potential errors during cutting operations. Quick setup, aided by clear instructions, ensures swift integration into professional setups, benefiting contractors, woodworkers, and tradespeople alike. User experience and calibration. While the M1 Caliber presents a promising solution, some users have encountered challenges during calibration. Issues with blade flex affecting readings and the necessity of manually inputting blade thickness could potentially deter seamless setup. Despite initial setbacks, diligent calibration efforts and supplementary resources like YouTube tutorials have proven helpful for users striving to achieve accurate measurements. Price considerations and reliability. One notable concern raised by users is the tool's price point, positioning it more as a professional-grade investment rather than a casual homeowner tool. Suggestions for either a price adjustment or a comprehensive lifetime warranty reflect expectations for long-term reliability and customer satisfaction. Verdict. In conclusion, the REEKON M1 Caliber presents a compelling solution for professionals seeking enhanced efficiency and precision in woodworking and construction projects. While initial setup hurdles and price considerations exist, its innovative design and potential for streamlining workflows justify consideration for those prioritizing accuracy and convenience in their craft.